Welcome to lesson 3. In this lesson, I will show you other required downloads. In order for your download and installation to be successful, you will have to install each and every one of these items listed on the next slide. The first item that you will need to download is the Oracle Linux VirtualBox, followed by the Oracle Business Intelligence Developer Client Tools installer, and the Oracle database. That is, if you do not already have one installed. Then you have to download some OBIEE drivers. To download the first item on the list, which is the Oracle VirtualBox, what you simply do is type in the address for the VirtualBox, which is virtualbox.org. And on this page, there is a huge download button. Click on it. When you get to the next page, click on the version that corresponds with your operating system, which in this case, I'm using the 64-bit. So we'll pick Windows 64-bit. Next, go to the Oracle website and download the Oracle Business Intelligence Client Tools installer. Go to the homepage of Oracle, Downloads, Middleware, Business Intelligence Suite. We're working with 11G. And when you get to this page, what you want to do is you want to click on all supported platforms, or you can just download it directly from here. You can select accept license agreement and then click on the 64-bit to start the download. That takes care of downloading the developer client 2. We'll move on to the next item, which in this case could be the Oracle database if you have not already done so. So we'll scroll up to the page. We'll go back to the downloads, database. And once the database comes up, you can click on the first item, which is database 12C Enterprise or the standard editions. And when you get to this page, you click on accept license agreement, and I will download the Oracle database 12C, because in the Windows environment I showed you how to download and install an Oracle database 11G. In this part, I will give you an additional advantage of showing you how to download and install an Oracle database 12C. So we will pick the first two files, and that should take care of our downloads. So we'll click CO, and then we'll click on accept license agreement, and then we'll download the first file, and then click on the second file as well. Return to the top of the page. Under downloads, you go to database. Under database, you will find a link that says Oracle Instant Client. Click on that. Then when you get to the Instant Client, go to the version that corresponds with your operating system, which in this case will be 64-bit for my computer. Then accept license agreement and download Instant Client Package Basic. All files required to run OCI, OCCI, and JDBC OCCI application. Then you will also download another part, which is the Oracle Instant Client Package, which is ODBC, additional libraries for enabling ODBC applications. So we'll go ahead and click on the first option, which is Instant Client Package Basic, and then we'll scroll down and go to where it says Instant Client Package ODBC, and you click on that to download that as well.